Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head safety comparison between two small electric SUVs that might look different on the outside but are almost identical under the skin, the 2025 Suzuki VITARA and the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser. Both have just been tested by Euro NCAP, so let's see how they performed. Starting with adult occupant safety, both SUVs scored 77%. In the frontal crash test, the cabin stayed stable, protecting the knees and femurs of both driver and passenger. That's great news. But, in the full-width barrier test, the rear passenger's head only got a marginal score due to forward movement. On the flip side impact protection was excellent, with maximum points scored even in the tough side pole test. Next, child safety. Here, the results are even stronger, 85%. The dummies representing 6- and 10-year-old children were well protected in both frontal and side impacts, again scoring maximum points. The passenger airbag can be switched off to allow for rear-facing child seats in the front, a big plus for families. The only downside? Neither car includes child presence detection, which can warn if a child is left behind in the vehicle. Now let's talk about vulnerable road users, like pedestrians and cyclists. Both cars scored 79%. Protection for legs and femurs was generally very good, but the stiff windscreen pillars created some weak spots for head impacts. Their automatic emergency braking systems did a solid job, adequate with pedestrians and very strong with cyclists. However, there's no system to prevent dooring when someone opens a door into the path of a cyclist. Finally, safety assist technologies. Both models reached 72%. Standard equipment includes lane keep assist, speed assistance, emergency braking for car-to-car situations, and driver monitoring to detect fatigue and distraction. Seatbelt reminders are also fitted for every seat. So what does all of this mean? In simple terms, the Suzuki VITARA and the Toyota Urban Cruiser are safety twins. They offer strong crash protection, excellent child safety, and solid driver assistance systems. Their weaknesses are minor and shared across both models. At the end of the day, choosing between the two comes down to brand preference and design, because in terms of safety, they are virtually the same car. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.